drivers.
It's 4 in the morning. We're heading to Dallas, Texas for the DUBSPLASH show.
Yeah, we're on our way to a swap meet. This is proof in the pudding that we're insane. And Matt Jackson's wearing, he wears his sunglasses at night.
All right, we gotta hit the road.
Who knows? This is like, we are on our way to Big D, and we don't mean Dallas. So we are in denial that we have a problem. So off we go into the Wild Blue Yonder. Stick with us today. This is gonna be a wild weekend. We're gonna get rich.
Let's go. All right, we are here at the show. We made it to Joe Pool Lake, and we're in the swap meet area, and we're getting all set up. We've got about 15 tables we're gonna be setting up right here, and then we'll be unloading the bins and getting everything set up. It looks like there's a lot of people already here, and it's only 7:30 or so in the morning, so.
Look at that, Matt Jackson.
What is that?
Well, it says Volkswagen.
It does say Volkswagen. It's a split window.
It is. Dude, the motor, look where the motor is.
It's an air-cooled motor. Oh my gosh. Wow, it must all raise like that.
Yeah, just goes whoop.
Gary, we actually sold a signed poster from VWLIFE.
Hey.
So Gary's head just got like an inch bigger right there.
Hey, I'm now an influencer, and now we're selling our autographs.
Let's go see what Tommy's doing. He brought.
Oh, 1915.
Tommy came over with a long block, a 1915 with dual carbs. So this will be for sale as well.
Track race. You want on it?
All right, well, Martin also got a beam. This is gonna go in his blue 66. That's going in your 66, huh?
65.
65.
Yeah.
When is that gonna be finished?
Never. I just buy parts, that's all I do.
The busy day here at the swap meet, which is good.
Hey
Tommy's
guys,
here.
what's up? We're ready to sell some stuff. Let's make this happen.
What's your name and where are you from?
Nick Jeter, Midland, Texas.
What's your car?
It's a 67.
And it's slammed.
It's a little low. So I chopped the front end and the back end off, and we raised it 3 inches, so it's basically a Z-cut.
Oh wow, so the whole front and rear suspension have been shifted upwards.
Yes, and I had to cut out the floor pans behind the seat because it still wasn't low enough.
Okay.
So we chopped all that out and flattened it all the way across the bottom.
And did the suicide doors?
Suicide doors, I had done that, yeah, years back. So it was my first car that I bought in high school in 1997. I've had it for 23 years.
Nice. All right, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Irvin Corona. I am from Mexico City, and this is my Volkswagen Hormiga.
Hormiga, okay.
Hormiga, yes.
What years was it made?
It was made from 75 to 77. They only made 3,600 roughly, and only a couple still survive. This is one of them.
And so the motor is a standard Volkswagen upright air-cooled motor, and it's right behind the cab.
Yes, it's underneath the cab actually. It's a front-wheel drive instead of your typical rear-wheel drive Volkswagen or Bugs and stuff. But yeah.
Well, it's really cool. I appreciate you bringing it out today. It's really unique. It's got to be a whole lot of fun to drive, isn't it?
It is. It's kind of sketchy though, because you know you're like right up front, so it's a different experience for sure.
All right, what's your name and where are you from?
Ricky Marshall. I live in Burleson, Texas.
And tell me about your car.
It's a 51 Bug, airbag, 40 horse with a little supercharger on it. It's a Buddy Hale built car. I've had it, maybe a year and a half, 2 years. I've done a little bit to it, you know, some detailing here and there. Buddy builds a really nice stuff. I felt very fortunate to find the car and locate it and get it here to Texas.
Well, it's beautiful. I appreciate you bringing it out. What's your favorite part about it?
The stance, the way it looks all over. It draws you to it. It's really nice. I have several Volkswagens. I've got a 55 oval that's really nice, and some drag cars and stuff, but I've always wanted a split one done. When I found this car, I did everything I could to get it.
Nice. And we're here at DUBSPLASH today, 2022. How's it going?
No trades, cash only.
No trades, cash
God,
only.
that's the biggest thing, Matt Jackson. Do you take Zelle? Do you take Venmo? Do you take PayPal? I said no, cash only.
Cash is king.
Yeah. See this? What's this on the back?
VWLIFE.
Oh, okay, VWLIFE. Cash only.
Besides that, there's quite a bit of cars, and there's some Mark 1 GTIs.
Yeah, I'm jonesing to go over there, but somebody keeps leaving here, so I can't go over there. I'm running the whole swap by myself.
Go ahead and go for a walk.
I'm waiting for Daddy Martin, because we're going to go over there and get all excited over the cabriolets.
For the unveiling of the all-new,
look at this,
as seen on YouTube. Tell your aunts, tell your aunts,
tell your uncles about VWLIFE.
I don't know where we're gonna clip it up there.
It's really big. Martin made it really big.
Yeah, well, y'all said you wanted a big banner.
This is big.
This is
I buy
big.
4x8 banners every time.
How are we gonna do this, Martin?
I don't know.
Oh, Martin, what do we have here?
$2,900 car. It's going. Yep.
What do you think?
I know where to get them restored.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's keep.
So, Martin and I are we broke free from the swap.
Yeah. So we're gonna look at some.
We cajoled
water
Matt Jackson.
pools.
So here we are. This is so funny. We've been to a million car shows, and what are we looking at first? The water cools, baby.
Oh, we don't see them.
Yeah,
normally.
look at this.
Ooh, that's got a big old VR6 in it.
Wow.
Why don't you show the people this car?
There you go. Wow. Big old meats.
Look at that motor swap there, dude.
That's the thing about Volkswagens is that all the engines swap around. Look at all the space in there.
So much room. It's got nice newer Ricardos
Oh,
in it.
wow.
I like it.
That's awesome. The 92 GTI is a Harlequin, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the seats. Wow.
Uh-oh. I see something.
Oh, yeah, baby. Look at, oh, it's got a supercharger on it. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I don't think it's hood fits.
No.
Oh, my gosh.
See, that's what you
That's a
need to do.
leather covered
That's the
dash.
leather wrap
Yep. So that's what you're talking about, because the Scirocco dash is crack. And that's a leather covered dash.
So you just need to have them. I had to get grills for it or something.
Wow. That's it. That's the magic right there, baby. Look at that motor.
You like that, huh? Brand new camper.
And then look at this. This is like a Jetta that's all like diesel Jetta, TDI, on meats. Oh my God.
Cool.
That is awesome. Here we go.
With a VR6.
Oh my Lord. With BBSs.
Oh, that's the wheels too.
Yeah.
Look at the interior.
Look at those seats.
Wow.
What kind of shifter is that?
Some aftermarket weird.
That's fancy. Look at those seats.
That's nice. Look how low it is, dude.
Oh my God.
It's gotta be sitting on air ride, huh?
Yeah, it has to be.
Now that's the top. Where you couldn't put air ride on this, could you?
Yeah, it's.
I guess you could. Oh, there's a little bit of trunk.
Look at that motor.
Oh, it's a hydraulic shit.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that one. That one's clean. 91. I like this one. Triple white.
Yeah, I like the triple whites.
This is Pedro's. It's got a removable steering wheel.
Yeah.
Pretty. It's look all automatic, standard.
How white that car is. That car is so white.
Clean.
Yeah.
Blah blah blah. And then here's Martin's dream.
That's your caddy.
Martin's dream.
Not my dream car.
Well, pretty close.
Look, leather wrap.
Yeah.
I guess it's leather wrap unless they.
No, that's stock.
Oh, is it?
Yep. It's got a faux thing on. Yeah, that's a stock dash.
That's good.
Oh, this looks.
Look at it. Isn't this bad that this car, as old as this, has a bigger trunk or
Than
big
your-
bed than my truck?
It has. Say that again, Martin.
It has a bigger bed than my
Than
truck.
your Toyota.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because that's what that's a 6 foot bed.
Oh yeah.
For a little brief, but this is an absolutely beautiful car. Hey! Nice! Beautiful bike.
Suspended Qualitat. This kid showed up. He helped out.
Axel just won $500. for being
Axel?
badass.
You're the future, bro. Keep it rolling. Axel had no idea that was happening just now. But kids like that are going to take this long and gone further when we're all gone. So you guys, thanks for coming out. Thanks, Axel, for helping out.
Congratulations. So the announcer was like, and surprise, Axel, you win $500 for being so awesome, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Congratulations.
It'll definitely go to good use.
That's awesome. You get to spend it at Qualitat, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, it's been a great day here at DUBSPLASH, but now it's time to go ahead and start putting away the swap meet stuff.
It's been a breezy day. It's a blustery day, said Pooh. That's okay. We had a good day. I saw lots of people today that we appreciate. The folks out there that have been watching us, and a lot of people come up and introduce themselves. So that's super cool. So we're gonna kind of just slowly put everything away and then pack up and go for a swim.
Was that from the, oh man, the wind got that shelf and blew it right at you, huh?
Yeah. Man down.
Man down.
It's just a scratch. And it got me here. This one hurt more because this is like right on the vein.
Put this on him here.
No. Oh, look, this is like right on that vein.
I'll become a doctor.
Cape hurt like.
Look at over here with Ben. He's gonna run an IV into you. You're losing fluids.
I'm okay.
Do these things go bad?
He get you an adrenaline shot. Dude, right with the
The whole time
EpiPen.
I'm like, stop, I'm okay.
I'm okay.
We got everything into the van and the trailer. You can see where the people were walking. It's all burned away right there. Some lucky person might actually come over here and find some free stuff. Every swap meet, we usually leave a little pile for somebody of stuff that just didn't meet our criteria for keeping.
Hey everybody, how's it going, boys?
It's the DUBSPLASH.
Yeah.
You know what I figured out just right now? That it seems like you guys always wear black shirts, and I almost...
We're the black sheep.
You didn't get the memo.
Me and Matt Jackson have our custom.
Y'all have the right phone number?
We need to text Tommy next time what we're wearing.
So that's DUBSPLASH for 2022. It's a wrap. It was a great show.
Yes, it was a good show. Loved all the water cools that were here. There were some really good ones, and lots of cool air cools too. And this we were just talking how cool this facility is. This park. It has just like a tremendous amount of potential for growth.
Yeah, it allows camping. And the one year that we were down here, the first time it was here, this was all water cooled here, swamp was over there, and then that was all air cooled. But you know, the fact that they moved the show forward one day and it skipped 2 years for COVID and then the flood that happened here, to bring out some 300 cars is super rad. I mean, this is a great show.
Yes.
I'd like to see it keep going.
Yeah, they're really talking about making it grow, so we're down to see that too.
Oh yeah. Look at that! Look at that!
And we made a little money.
I don't know, dude. That's kind of
kind of
thin.
Oh my God, Martin!
But I just spent a bunch of money.
Martins
right
are all ones.
So
Oh yeah, mine's
I'm negative. I just bought another beam right now.
Oh God!
I got a fat roll in mine.
Yeah, so we did good today. So it's been fun. Yeah, everybody's done well. And thanks for joining us today. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VWLIFE. Hey, go out to support your local shows. That's what it's all about. I mean, this isn't really local for us. It's a 3-hour tour, but
Yes.
but nonetheless, we love supporting area Volkswagen shows in the community. That's what it's all about. So go out to the shows and do that. And
We'll see
until
you guys
next time.
Yep.